washer for you, bud. It's looking a little murky. Come on, come on. There you go. Okay. Come on. Come on. Just need a sample. I'm just gonna thread this on like butter. Okay. This part's very important. You don't want to over torque this. Just hand tight. Just give it nice and subtle. Yeah! Okay. We're lucky. Cappuccino. Find your home. Come on. 30 foot-pounds precisely. And we're done with that. Bit of razzle-dazz. What are you saying? Alright, bit excessive. That's looking mint. Fuck around here. Into your home. Into your home. Headlights falling a little bit. We're done with you. Nice baby vessel flathead. And we're just gonna send these into their respective homes here. Okay. For this one, you're gonna wanna just cram jam your fingers right here and sandwich that into place, and then do one of these numbers. There we go. Works every time, most of the time. Pocket screw G, we do not have. Very disappointing. I'm gonna stick that in there. This doesn't want to turn, so we're just gonna hit her with the pocket screw G, just like that. And that's very nice. Come on. Same situation right here. A little techie tip for you buds. I know a lot of y'all don't like Honda splash shields. Whoop. Okay. Pocket. Wheel lock. Into your home. Do a nice little double check on her. Thanks. That's nice. Alright. Alrighty. Don't you. And you. Back into the vault. Vision Auto 3D makes this lock nut holster, lock nut key holster. 3.7 KT quartz in the 1.5. Whoop. Whoop. A little over, it's okay. It's all good, man. We're gonna make it work. 3-7 for ya. Good pull. Steady flow. And we're gonna wanna leave a little bit in here. Looks about right. Whoa there, whoa there, whoa there. Cappuccino. Samantha? Come here. Come here. Cappuccino. Start you on up. Okay. Talk to me. Beep. Bop. Boop. Make sure the oil light's reset. Go to the wrench right here, and she indeed is reset. All right. One last little checky poo. Will likely be at the upper mark, and still kind of right in between, a little above halfway, and we like that very much. Sip. That's looking real nice. Timon. What? What? There you are.